Hello everyone, welcome to Baby Kid Foods, a channel of delicacies, travel and events, and traditional recipes. So guys, I'm back again today with this recipe. I just want to make some coleslaw. In this channel I did some coleslaw, but now I want to do the traditional way. That is the way people used to do coleslaw before, or not all used to do, but the way people do it traditionally. Somebody somewhere at home who does not have the current ingredients. So guys, keep tuned and let's do it together. I have here, as usual, I have my cabbage, white cabbage. I have the purple cabbage. I have some carrots. I have lemon. I have milk. So let's go. We just cut it. Yes, these are my white cabbages. My purple cabbage. So guys, please try this out, the purple salad, very nice. So guys, this as well, I will also add it here. So guys, just keep tuned and see you next time. So here I'm not going to add any sugar. I'm just going to add this lemon. After this now, instead of the mayonnaise, I'm going to use milk. So this is fresh milk, and then give it a mix. Just mix it gently. Make sure that it mixes well simultaneously as you add milk. So guys, this is my traditional coleslaw, homemade traditional coleslaw. It's very nice. Let me just have a taste. Mm-hmm. Yes, it's very nice. So you can use it, serve it with other meals. So please try out this. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is the traditional way of making coleslaw. Thank you.